Product disclaimer. The Iteracare blower is not a medical device, and the manufacturer does not provide medical advice. Users understand that the device is not intended for medical or diagnostic purposes. Its use should not replace reliance on medical treatment or advice from a qualified healthcare provider. A true leader knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Welcome to Knowing Your Business series.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be sharing the Miracare. Oh, by the way, bakit siya tinawag na Miracare? Kasi nga, it's a miracle care. Oh, di ba? Parang doon natin na-infuse yun. And in connection with our iTeracare, that's why the branding stayed. So, Miracare, it's a body essential oil. So, the beauty with this, it's FDA approved and we are even halal approved. So, hindi na po tayo kakaba-kaba to share this amazing product kasi po, kompleto na po ang documents natin. So isn't it, I can say it's really timely na dumating rin to. So we have a product that we can showcase to our guests. So for the people, especially the first timers, why is this product amazing? Because out of all the ingredients, we actually put in two superfoods, which is the kombucha and matcha. Now, I know a lot of you know matcha, pero yung iba po, kombucha, medyo first time. So kombucha po, just to give you a background, what is kombucha? It's actually well known siya as a probiotic drink. It's more of a drink, dun po tayo nagfo-focus ng mga ibang companies. But what we did, we actually harnessed yung isa niya pang nagagawa, which is mataas po or very strong ang probiotic property niya that boosts skin's good bacteria to neutralize the bad bacteria that attacks our DNA. Yung po yun, may bad bacteria na nag-a-attack eh. It serves as a skin protector. It detoxifies, improves skin elasticity, brightens skin, and combats fine lines and wrinkles. So ikaw mismo, with this product alone, you can actually use it sa face, you can use it sa body mo. So it's all around siya. Tapos, linagyan pa ng isang superfood, which is the matcha. So alam naman natin, I know you guys are well aware kasi linalagay naman to sa mga drinks, very popular to. It's a popular Japanese drink. So, just to let you know, green tea or matcha green tea is another antioxidant that effectively promotes collagen production, stimulates cell regeneration, hydrates and nourishes the skin. Minsan po kasi nakakalimutan natin, kaya pala medyo yung mga skin natin hindi na maganda, hindi na po siya hydrated. Hindi na po siya nourished, okay? Wala na masyadong sustansya. Lalong-lalo na nasa tayo, nasa generation tayo ng puro technology, puro pollution. So nakaka-affect or nakaka-epekto po sa katawan natin. So with these two superfoods, kinumbine po natin with these key ingredients. Sobrang powerful yung coconut oil, lavender, turmeric, lemongrass, eucalyptus, peppermint, malunggay, rosemary. Now, with all these ingredients, stand alone yung mga products na to, yung mga oil na to. Pero can you imagine meron pala siyang mga distinct capabilities na pag kinumbine mo siya ng tama with each other, lumalabas yung full potential ng produkto. Kasi pwede naman, marami naman dyan sa labas eh. Di ba? Yung iba nga nagmi-mix-mix pa eh. Pero ito po, pre-mix na, nakuha natin yung tamang formula for efficiency. Ibig sabihin, mas lalo siyang naging effective nung tama ang timpla niya. Okay po ba yun? So yun yung nagawa ng produkto natin. Magaling po kasi yung mga gumawa nito kaya talagang pinag-aralan nila. Now, ito po yung top 10 things na nagagawa ng product. And let me remind you isa po sa mga testimonies ko, lalong-lalo na yung cuts. Kasi po mahilig ako magluto. So medyo pag nahihiwa po tayo, syempre sa atin ang tendency, naglalagay ka agad ng, alam mo yun, ng Band-Aid, naglalagay ka agad. Ito po, Hindi ko naman sinasabi i-cut nyo sarili nyo ha. Pero ang point ko, once that happens, try nyo po yung oil. Magugulat kayo, ang bilis niya po mag-heal ng mga sugat. Promise. Ang dami na po nating mga ano dyan, mga testimonies. And soon, I'm going to be sharing to you a little bit of the testimonies na nagagawa niyan. Alright? So, moving on lang ha. Ito pala. Ito pala, bago ko, once you get your product, make sure to test it. Now, how do you test it? Kami po, we actually put it on our hands. We put it sa hands namin and we smell it. Mafe-feel mo kaagad yung soothing sensation niya. Number one. Tapos, you put it po sa batok. Dito sa neck area. Bakit po dito? Kasi, kung manonotice nyo, napakanipis po ng balat natin dyan. Kaya madali po kayong magka-sunburn if you stay too long sa sun. With our product, pag linagay nyo po, wala po siyang burning effect. Hindi po siya mahapdi sa balat. Pag ginamit nyo po yung mga regular products, yung mga sikat na products sa labas, yung mga nasa market, pag linagay nyo po yan sa batok, masakit po sa batok. Mahapde at may mga tendencies that can burn your skin. Sa atin po, perfectly safe. Good news ba yun? Ayan, okay? Tapos, the beauty with this product, syempre, like what I said dun sa event natin, may maganda tayong product, paano pag in-add-on mo pa or kinumbine mo sa isang napaka-powerful na product? Dalawang powerful products combined into one. The Miracare plus the iTeracare. Yun yung pinaka-the best dito. Tingnan nyo to ha. Ang ganda kasi ng combination na to. So the iTeracare and the Miracare discover the power of nature plus technology. O di ba? Grabe to. The Miracare Supreme Relief Oil, pag finusion nyo po siya, alright? Kasi ang ending nito, it's a fusion of natural ingredients. So, okay? So, natural siya plus combined or paired with the revolutionary iTeracare device. So, nandyan na po yung technology. Etong dynamic duo na to, it will enhance your health and wellness journey. Ito ngayon ang pinakamalupit, guys, ha? Ito po yung Miracare natin. Now, hihimayin ko po yung mga ingredients. So, ito po yung coconut oil. So, bakit siya may coconut oil? Kasi maganda po yung hydration niya at nourishment. Deep hydration and nourishment. Yan po yung isang capability ng coconut oil. Of course, yung matcha and kombucha. Linagay na po natin. Na-explain ko na yan kanina. Ito po, meron po tayong lavender and peppermint. Ang trabaho po niya is calming, soothing, and invigorating yung senses. In other words, nakaka-relax po siya. Tapos meron siyang turmeric and may malunggay seed, which is ang trabaho po is anti-inflammatory. Ibig sabihin, pag may mga areas na medyo namamaga, naku, i-apply nyo po kaagad yan. Alright? Yan yung first step. Ano po? Meron po tayong eucalyptus oil at lemongrass oil which relieves tension and supports respiratory wellness. Kaya ako po sinasabi na napakaganda siyang i-inhale kasi maganda po ang effect niyan sa katawan natin, lalo na sa lungs natin. And of course, dahil meron tayong rosemary oil, ito naman po ay nagbo-boost ng circulation. Alright? Alright, yan ang isa sa ginagawa niya. Now, ito yung nakakatuwa dyan. Pag kinumbine mo ngayon with the iTeracare, linagay mo ngayon, saka mo ngayon i-blower. Dahil yung technology natin, alam naman natin na it improves circulation as well, yung i-repairs yung cells natin, yung boost oxygen, yung thermal heat o yung heat niya naman enhances penetration of active ingredients. Dahil may oil siya, blinower mo, mas lalong mabilis po yung heating niya. Mas mabilis po lalong uminit para yung thermal energy mas mabilis makapenetrate ngayon. Now, ang kagandahan dito, because meron po siyang Miracare, mas magiging gentle ngayon sa skin mo. Kumbaga, habang binoblower mo, mas yung penetration sa skin mas protektado. Yun naman yung kagandahan doon. And lastly, of course, because of the synergy of this product, it will enhance yung capability ng Miracare plus it will also enhance yung power ng iTeracare. O di ba? Kaya po, to be honest, ang dami po namin mga nakukuhang mga testimonies with this na ever since na ginamit nila tong pair na to, etong powerful duo na to, mas bumilis po yung naging resulta pagdating sa health ng tao. Okay? So ito po, just to recap lang para at least mabigyan pa kayo ng idea, ano pa po yung mga major benefits ng combination natin ng Miracare at Iteracare. Number one, of course, yung enhanced absorption. Nabanggit ko na nga yan. Pag ginamit nyo with the Miracare and yung Miracare ginamit mo with the Iteracare, mas mabilis po mag-absorb lahat ng nutrients na nasa loob ng Miracare. Ganun siya kabilis. Next is, magkakaroon ka ngayon ng targeted relief kung saan man may sakit. Kaya nga 'di ba may anti-inflammatory yung product natin? So pag ginamit mo ngayon yan doon sa mga medyo namamaga yung kamay, namamaga yung mga shoulders, mas mabilis po yung effectivity at yung efficiency ng produkto. Another is yung toxin elimination niya mas lalo pong gumaganda. So 'di ba? 'Yan naman yung nakakatuwa kasi syempre ang ending gusto natin tulungan yung mga tao. So yun po yung nagagawa ng produkto natin. Another is yung cell activation. Mas mabilis na naman. O 'di ba? Ang Iteracare nga mabilis na eh. Nung linagyan pa ng Miracare, mas lalong bumilis yung repair at rejuvenation ng cells natin. And of course, lastly, ito yung pinaka-the best. Out of all the physical ailments na mararamdaman natin lagi, ito yung pinaka-the best. Yung stress reduction. Nakakababa siya ng stress. Matatanggal mismo yung stress. Diba, can you imagine out of all the benefits, matanggal lang ang stress ng tao, malaking bagay na. How many of you agree with that? Yes or yes? O di ba? Dun pa lang, tanggal na kaagad ang stress. Alright? So, sino market natin? Ako masasabi ko sa inyo, lahat. From professionals, athletes, seniors, families, entrepreneurs, students. Magugulat ka kahit mga bata ngayon, mga estudyante, yan ang kailangan ngayon. Believe me, with the Iteracare, with the Miracare, combined with the Miracare, lalo pong lumaki ang market natin. So, ladies and gentlemen, para sa akin when you do and you choose to be part of the growth of Iteracare and Miracare, you have to share this dynamic duo kagad. You have to share it with friends, with people you love, share it immediately. And of course, when you share it, you also have to take action. Kasi at the end of the day, people need this, people wants this, and of course, people need financial freedom this 2025. So we can give both. Alright? So yun lang po.